Welcome, welcome, welcome to Maria Loves to Talk. And yes, I am talking about fragrances, and I still have my little candles up, you guys. Getting into the holiday spirit, getting ready for Christmas. I need to be getting in that kitchen in a little bit, getting my cakes, and I don't know. It's a lot. Came from the mall earlier today. It's the best time. We went out like at 9 o'clock to 12. Traffic was already building up at 10. So I'm going to go over some of the little things that I picked up at TJ Maxx today. And I'm so glad I got there early enough. There wasn't any lines. Please, I need you to click like and subscribe. Get you some snacks. Let's get into it. Okay, so starting from the beginning, I picked up some goodies. So I'm going to start with some things that I've had ordered from Fragrance Net a couple months ago. Didn't get a chance, so I want to work those in. So I will start with, and again, Salvadore Ferragamo. Is that right? Salvadore, Ferragamo. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is called Incanto Charms. In fact, I just saw the big bottle and the shine at Ross, and I'm telling you guys, I went to Ross. I mean, it's nothing. It's just nothing. I mean, the shelf was just empty. They had, like, when I went there 2 weeks ago, they had 2 big tables full of perfume. They had 2 big drawers, cabinets, shelves with fragrances. Today I went, there was like 20, I'm serious, 20 fragrances on the shelves. Everything picked over. Okay, so enough of blabbing. Incanto Charms. Let me spray this. Because I've been seeing this and I was wondering what it smells like. Because again, I don't want to get stuck with a big bottle of anything and don't like it. Okay, yes. I'm liking this. Okay, it is not a date night, but it's something every day. Every day, work, out with your friends, going to a movie. This one is nice. It's interesting. Incanto Charms. And you can also, okay, the next one is True Religion. This one is called Hippie Chic. Okay, Hippie Chic, whatever that is. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one also is every day. It's mild, it's light, and light floral. It's not heavy, it's not powdery, and that's good. I do not like powdering. So this one right here is just right. This is True Religion, and I've seen the big bottles. I think it comes in 2 or 3 different fragrances, but hey, wasn't nothing over there. 20 out of like 500 bottles of fragrances. I saw 2.5 weeks ago, they had barely like 30 on the shelf. Next one, Arizona. This one is Proenza Schouler. Okay, and again, these from Fragrance Net. Okay. I'm liking this one. This one is really nice. It's kind of light, floral, a little romantic. This can be a date night, maybe a little cozy night. This is a yes. I'm liking that one. Moving on, LolitaLand. And I picked up a lot of Lolita the other day, maybe about 2 months ago at TJ Maxx. Yeah. And so this is LolitaLand by Lempicka. And I do know from reading the comments, people say this is really sweet. I don't know if it's going to be sweet like this Pillsbury cream cheese frosting. But I know it is sweet because the ones that I picked up a few months ago, they were sweet. And look how rich and dark. This is just as dark as this bottle right here. So let's see. It is sweet. It's not, okay. I don't find it to be that super sweet, like the little the frosting that I did earlier, the ice frosting. But it is rich and it's not powder, and I like that. LolitaLand. So this one is good and it has high ratings. Moving on to the next one, and I saw a bottle of this, and I should have got the big bottle, Taylor Swift Wonderstruck. And I will say it is good. And I do like Taylor Swift, but I'm not saying it's good because I like her. But yes, this one is good. And I should have picked up a big bottle of it when I saw it. This is kind of sweet, not too sweet. Every day. It can also be a little date night. It's not a sultry, you know, date night, but it could be a nice little date night fragrance. It's warm. I forgot how much these were. I think, golly, I got 2 of them. I think they were like $1.99. I don't know how much. Believe me, I don't pay a lot for these little quarter ones. They were like $1.99. Some of them were like $2.99. I remember back in the day when I was a little kid or a preteen, when we would go to the mall with my mom, when you buy something, whether you bought it from Clinique or Estee Lauder, you go to 2 or 3 counters and the ladies will give you these little corded samples. Now it looks like we have to buy them from FragranceNet or somewhere. They don't give them to you anymore free. Next one is Roberto Cavalli. Okay, and this one's got a little, like a little leopard print. And it has the blue, so that's an Acqua. So we know right there it's going to be fresh and luminous. Okay, floral. I was thinking it was going to be really watery. Okay, let's see. If blue had a color, if blue had a name or color, it's this one. It is. I'm liking it. I like this one, and I love the bottle. I mean, I wish I had a big bottle. I would give this one a 4. Roberto Cavalli Acqua. It is definitely a 4. Okay, moving on to my next one, and this one here is kind of almost really exotic. It's called Oud Khas, Oudkhas, and it's a perfume. Okay, it looks like it's Middle Eastern. Top notes: nutmeg, cumin, oud, sandalwood, vanilla, and amber. Really rich. It's rich, luxurious, and it is strong. It's not for the faint of heart. And I like my fragrances like this. I'm going to give this one a 4. This is called Oud Khas. I want to say Kiss, Khas. Okay, moving on. My next one here is by a company called Wild Spirit Discovery Kit. It's supposed to be natural essentials. No sulfates, no parabens, dyes. I thought it was, okay, let's see. And so it comes like this. And I picked this one up, I believe, from Amazon. Okay, they look like this. You get 4. So the first one is called First Snow. Okay, they rollerballs. And if it's anything like the candles that says snow, it's probably going to be really light. And it is light. But it's fresh. It's kind of a crisp, fresh smell. Okay. Moving on to my next one. Okay, this one is just called Heal. It's green. I don't know why it's called Heal. Heal. I like this one. Okay, this one is definitely a yes. I'm smelling this one, Heal, and this has green notes. It smells really green. Okay, moving on to my next one. This one is called Driftwood. Driftwood. Okay, let's see. This is it. What is this? It's like almost like a beachy ocean. And I'm liking this one as well. This is Driftwood. So far, every day, I wouldn't call it Met Gala, Emmy, or anything like that, Oscar. It's just everyday fragrance wear. My last one is Spring Jasmine in this collection. Spring Jasmine. Okay. Like, not heavy. I wouldn't even call it medium strength. Is just like, again, everyday fragrance. Everyday fragrance that you can wear at work, cafeteria, courthouse, paraprofessional. This one I picked up at TJ Maxx today. Okay, it was $21.99. This is really weird. I saw this exact same one at Ross. Okay, after I left TJ Maxx, there's a Ross on the next street. And at first I thought, I'm not going to get it because I thought TJ Maxx was higher than Ross. So I'm glad I got it because when I went to Ross, this same one, this is Amazing Grace, and I haven't had Amazing Grace in ages. Amazing Grace, I believe it's at QVC or HSN. You can also get it there. And they had another Amazing Grace. I think it was called Weekend Love or something about Forever Love for $34. I was like, no, not $34. So this is Amazing Grace. But making a long story short, went to Ross, saw the same exact bottle, same exact. I think it was either $24 or $26, and this one was $21.99, regular $34. Okay, so Amazing Grace, neroli, orange blossoms, musk, bergamot, and I don't know if I'm saying this right, Mugget, M-U-G-E-T blossoms. And it looks like they changed the bottle because I don't remember it having a frosted ombre kind of look to it. So let me see. And I haven't had this. I've had the other Philosophy, but I haven't had Amazing Grace, you guys, in like 15 years. Really, I haven't had it in like 15 years. So, and I know one of my little nieces is going to want this. It smells good. It just like I remember it. I want to say maybe the perfume would be stronger, but it's just right. This is everyday. This could be cozy night, cozy you with your honey, you're just cozying up, sitting in front of the fireplace, eating popcorn, watching a movie, or taking a stroll at the park with the dogs, with the little kids. This is just, to me, just it's cozy, warm, soft, gentle, loving. It's not a super romantic. It's not super romantic. It's not sultry. It's just right. And yes, you can wear it to work. So this is definitely an A+, and I'm glad I picked it up at TJ Maxx instead of waiting, thinking I was gonna find it cheaper at Ross, and I really wasn't even expecting it. I was just looking around. Okay, so moving on, I picked these up. TJ Maxx, both were $7.99. Essential oils, real essential oils. And remember, when you get your candle and your candle is weak, is not giving you a strong scent, put your essential oil in it and make sure you don't, you put it while the candle, before you light it. So the first one I picked up is Fresh Evergreen, the green one. And then the other one is Christmas Memories. Christmas Memories have like ginger and some spices. And then the other one, Gingerbread Latte. The Gingerbread Latte smells just like a gingerbread ginger snap also. So this was like a holiday type essential oil, $7.99. You can't beat that. The next one's called Beach Bonfire. I was thinking beach, like taking one of my plain white candles and just putting this in there. So one is called Coastal Air. Coastal Air. The other one is Toasted S'mores. I don't know what they put in it. I think it's a little vanilla. Yeah, vanilla peppermint. And Coastal Air is cedarwood, frankincense, and basil. Toasted S'mores smells so good. It's so yummy. The next one was Fireside Glow. It is orange, patchouli, cedarwood, and sandalwood, and peppermint. That's not bad. $7.99. That was a steal. And my last, I was just looking at this. I was going to pick it up at Fragrance, either Fragrance or somewhere else. And this is Ocean Pacific. I'm really not that big on Ocean Pacific, but when I saw it had Mermaid Vibes, Sea Beauty, and Berry Blush, I had to pick it up. So starting with my berry, let's see, let me get it. And I got this for $14.99. That's not bad, $14.99. Okay, so starting with my first one is Berry Blush. And this let's see. Right. It's a little sweet and it has a light blush, a light berry. And this is, ooh, this is good. Let me put that right there. Okay. Moving on, Mermaid Vibes. And again, it could, I mean, who says that you can't wear Mermaid Vibes or aquatic fragrance during the holidays, okay? Especially if you're in a hot climate, a warm area. Okay, let's see. Straight up ocean, ocean, ocean. And it's good and I'm liking it. I'm loving it. Because I am not smelling all that coconut. I am just tired of coconut. Okay, my last one is Sea Beauty. Okay, Sea Beauty. Oh gosh, it's a hard, to me, this whole collection is good. Sea Beauty is good. Mermaid and the blush. I will give this collection a 5, you guys. A 5.5. It's definitely a yes. And again, my Amazing Grace, 5.5. So again, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you got your goodies. Again, let's remember, someone was saying it today and I agree with them. Christmas is about his presence, not presents. So, and let's train our kids to know that, because the most important thing is family, being with family, and yes, having some food. But you know, I mean, if it have to be, you know, I can eat Campbell's soup. You know, I can eat a sandwich. As long as we're together, the family, we're healthy and happy. And talking about that, my nephew had to miss work today or yesterday at Costco. He's talking about he's hoping he doesn't have the COVID. And I was around him, and thank God I had my mask on. So just keep him lifted up that he don't have it. He can't get in until Monday somewhere to get tested, but I don't really think he have it. He's been vaccinated 2 times. So again, stay blessed. Merry Christmas. You and your family, healthy, prosperity, and just enjoy and love on your loved ones. And do not forget, if you do not have your granny with you, lift her up in prayers. If she's out of town or in one of, home, please do not forget to call granny, grandma, or auntie, or someone that did something for you when you was a young kid growing up. Give them a call, send them some love. Again, thank you so much for joining me at Maria Loves to Talk. God bless you and stay blessed. Thank you.